guys, okay, anyway. Today we're gonna react to Dhar Man. Yes, we're gonna watch Dhar Man. I'm in a closet right now. Dhar Man. Sadness. We're reacting to Dhar Man.
Here you go, Scott. You need this more than I do.
Why does he sound like a 12-year-old? But looks like he's like 89 years old.
Is that your dog?
Yes, it is. His name is Scout.
Poor thing. He deserves a better home. Not to be living out here on the street.
Well, I wish I had a home. Just lost it recently, and things have been so...
It's really irresponsible of you. You shouldn't be taking care of a dog when you can't even take care of yourself. Hey, Scout? Is he even feeding you? Do you want a real home?
I'm feeding him? I may not always eat, but I always make sure he's well fed. He's not going anywhere.
No! They're gonna take his dog away.
We'll see about that. I'm going to call animal control. You don't deserve to have a dog.
Wow.
Hi, yes, this is Karen Kaufman.
Wow, mean lady used
I'd like to
name
report
Karen.
a case of animal abuse.
What? Wow, I can't even believe
Thank you.
this. Can you believe this, guys? When you look at this
Man, it's hard.
insane lady.
You must be out too, honey.
There he is. That's the guy that's neglecting that dog.
Excuse me, sir. We have a report of animal neglect. When's the last time he's eaten?
Just a few hours ago, I gave him my sandwich. Why?
Yeah, right.
No.
You can tell he's obviously lying. That dog probably hasn't eaten for days.
Do you have a home for him to sleep in?
Well, it may not be considered a home to some, but we make it work.
See? This dog needs a real home.
Wow, real
To be stuck out here.
B-word lady. Can you believe
him?
Can you believe her?
Jacob, what do you think's going on over
Can you believe that lady?
I think they're trying to take the guy's dog away. I'm gonna record it.
Wow, like I'm recording.
Look, there's a new law
Yeah.
that passed. If you don't have a home in this town, you can't have a dog. We're gonna have to take
Which town?
No. Wait, please.
Dhar Man
You don't
Man?
understand. I can't be without him. We both need each other.
Yes, he pumps his
You
heart.
see?
Wow, he said the line.
I wasn't always
He
homeless.
said the line.
I used to have a respectable
He said the
job.
line. He said the
And
line.
on one of my walks home from work,
He said the line.
that's when I met Scout.
He said line.
He didn't have a home,
You see.
and he just looked so sad. But when I took one look into his big old eyes, I just knew I had to take him with me. I brought Scout home and took really good care of him. I watched him every week. I fed him the best food.
Go away. I'm doing it. I'm making a video
Right
here.
Scout looked like a brand new dog.
I don't care.
We were inseparable.
Whoa.
I think you were going
Oh my
great.
gosh, really?
Going great.
Oh no.
That is, until a few months later, I lost my job.
Oh no!
And all of
No,
a sudden,
he
I had
lost
no
his
income
job.
coming in.
Now he's gonna lose his house. Oh no.
I got really behind on some bills and ended up owing $4,000 in rent. With no way to pay, we both lost our home.
No! Wow, this is sad.
So you see,
He said the
Scout
line
needed
again.
me.
Yeah!
He was homeless. And now, I'm the one that's homeless. So somehow,
It's a Karen,
we just
dude.
need each other.
Yes, he pumps his heart with a pumper.
Yeah, that's a great story and all, but we don't know how much of it is really
If
true.
you come in here again,
Either
I'm
way,
going to rip your head
Rules
off.
are rules, right?
Right.
Okay,
Let's take him.
What? Wait, no.
What? No.
I can't lose
No.
Scout.
No.
Sir,
So you
when you
see
get
all
your
his
home
works.
back, you can have your dog back.
No.
If the dog hasn't found a home by then. Ready, Scout? Should we go find you a new home?
She looks like... She looks like that
No.
vegan teacher.
Scout!
Except
Sir,
less weed
I'm so sorry.
for her.
I can't believe that happened to you.
Yeah, you could have
It's so
stopped it.
unfair. I mean, I saw how good you treated that dog. We gotta do something.
What? You could have
No
done
use.
something like, you know,
I don't have a home.
a few
I don't have
minutes.
a dog. And unless I find a way to get $4,000, I'll never get Scout back.
We gotta do something.
GoFundMe. What? We can start a GoFundMe.
Awesome. That's what
we
all
can,
the girls
we
need
can
to
tell
get their
everyone
pink
about the story about how you found
Lamborghinis,
Scout and
being able to get Starbucks
I'm
every
sure
day.
that
This is
people wanna
awesome.
do
You really think that that's gonna work, Jacob?
Yeah, Jacob. People usually simp for
just
girls
gonna
on
try
their
it.
only, not for homeless men that lost their dog because they own the control.
Okay. If you think it'll work.
Go away!
Okay. My computer's at home. Come on, Mom. Let's go.
Well, really? Okay, awesome. Is he on a
Jacob
skateboard?
runs off, so excited about helping to get
Nothing.
Scout back to his
I'm not
rightful
doing
owner.
anything. New closet time.
He gets to his laptop and starts a GoFundMe page, telling the
Whoa.
world all about Scout
Really
and the
mean
need
sorrow.
to bring him back home. He sets a goal of raising $4,000.
Whoa, really? Why does that look like... Okay,
And before he knew it,
does that
the
work?
story
or, like,
about Scout ends up going viral.
why did you
People
just start
all
crying?
over the world start donating money. Jacob and
Wow,
his
really?
mom
Okay,
can't
awesome. I'm gonna
believe
do that to
what
buy
just
myself a
happened.
computer, and I'm gonna tell you guys what
And
happens
then,
in the next
a couple
video
days later,
after
Jacob and his
we
mom
finish
go
off.
visit the homeless man.
Excuse me, sir? Oh, hi. Wasn't sure if I'd ever see you again. Of course. Now look, we actually
Yeah,
have a
is it-
little surprise for you. What is it?
Why don't you come with us?
whoa,
I know it
a
seems
velvet
strange,
wallet? Man,
Can
how
you put on
rich
the
are
blindfold?
these guys? Oh yeah, that's a blindfold. Okay, I thought that was velvet. Oh my gosh, whatever.
Right here, almost there, and stop. You can take off the blindfold now.
How did someone not want to move in? Like, it's an apartment.
This is my old apartment, but I understand. What are we doing here?
Actually, this is your new apartment. Here are your keys.
You paid off my $4,000 past due rent?
Even better.
Whoa, really?
We bought the unit from the owner, so you own it now.
I own it?
Whoa,
What?
oh,
Really?
wha-
But I
This
don't
is
understand.
awesome.
No,
Oh my god.
GoFundMe idea that we had. Well, let's just say that it worked, and we got just enough money to buy the place. Wow, I can't believe it. This is going to change my life. Thank you so much.
Oh guys, I might be screwed. Come on, come on, just a few more seconds. Come on. Yeah, he's gonna get Scout back off. Wait, it's Terry. Listen, I'm making a video. Anyway, whoa, Scout. Yeah, listen, when Dhar Man appears, then that's when the video ends. Okay.
God bless you both.
Whoa.
You're so welcome.
Awesome.
Bless you too.
Hey. Awesome. Oh, jeez. That is awesome. Yeah.
Hey, get out of here. Did you not hear me, dog?
Oh, you must be so hungry.
Frick. That's the end of the video.